Boom shakalaka, the last time Bitcoin did this, price went up 30x in a year. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, huge signal for Bitcoin. The last time this happened, Bitcoin went up 30x in a year. Before we get into it, guys, like the video, join us on Twitter at @CryptoLove, and subscribe to the OG Bitcoin and Crypto YouTube channel, making daily videos since 2017. Now, today, fear and greed at 48. Pretty much sideways from yesterday. The overall market down 2%. Bitcoin is 63,144, Ethereum at 2694, and BNB at 556. Now, Bitcoin continuing in this bull flag for, I don't know, what is this, like 5 months already? Getting rejected by the 100 and 200 day moving averages right here, but coming up for potential support, the 21 EMA right now at $61,500. And if we take a look, Bitcoin short-term holders offloaded over $10 billion worth of Bitcoin last week as prices recovered. This is similar to what has happened a few times previously, but if we take a look at the short-term holders offloading compared with price, generally price recovers after they offload. They offloaded, price pretty much stayed almost the same, so we might see another price recovery coming up soon from that. Based on this chart right here, the Bitcoin Interexchange Flow Pulse, the IFP index, the bull market is officially back on. While we had many months in the red, this officially tagged it from June until August. We were back in the green, so potentially things may turn around if Bitcoin finds support here and bars going all the way back down to the bottom of this trend. Just to give you an idea of where people are priced in on Bitcoin at, here's the key support levels to monitor based on the buying patterns of Bitcoin investors. So new whales have bought Bitcoin at roughly $63,500. Binance users, $55,500. Bitcoin miners, $44,000. And long-term holders, $25,000. These are key support levels to keep an eye out for. We're right now sitting around the average price paid by new whales for Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin is currently retesting the Trend Wrangler moving average on the daily time frame. Do we get similar behavior to when it broke above it back in October 2023 when price went from $27,000 to $72,000? A lot of indicators that we mentioned in yesterday's video are suggesting, yes, we could be on the verge of another big move like that for Bitcoin. So we'll have to keep an eye out for where things could go. Looks like we could close the month with a hammer candlestick. Now, if this happens in an uptrend, let's scroll back and take a look at the last time that happened. Well, right here before a massive rally, also right here before a massive rally. So if this does in fact happen, this could say, hey, second part of that massive rally is coming. As a matter of fact, right now Bitcoin is printing the Dragonfly Doji on the monthly chart. When the Dragonfly Doji happens at some point in a period of consolidation, it signals that a potential reversal is about to occur. Now, this could be the end of the current 6-month consolidation and could send Bitcoin up higher once again. This bull flag, roughly $100,000+ measured target. So things could get exciting, especially when you consider this. The last time Bitcoin did this, price went up 30x in a year now. A lot of people are suggesting that this is going to be a bull run year for Bitcoin. 30x on Bitcoin would be almost $2 million per Bitcoin. What is this? Well, when Bitcoin has broken out of the historic volatility, which happened back here in January of 2017, price then went from $700 to $20,000. Well, once again, we have a breakout of this historic volatility happening right now, suggesting that we may have absolutely massive price break for Bitcoin. We have an inverse head and shoulders formation, very similar to what we saw back here in same time period, 2017. Again, this even has a larger gain. This was when Bitcoin went from $200 to $20,000, maybe a 100x for Bitcoin, which would put a $6 million Bitcoin if we see that in the future. And if we take a look at the overall market breadth, we are getting towards the territory where we see the all-up parabolic phase of the bull run, approaching that territory right now. The bull run begins. Things are about to get crazy. And based on history, we have roughly between 58 bars and 78 bars before the end of the run, which would take us generally to roughly the end of 2025. 1 year for price to go up hundreds of thousands to maybe potentially, fingers crossed, millions of dollars per Bitcoin. This is about to get very exciting. So that's all for this episode. If you enjoyed it, like the video, join us on Twitter, @TheCryptoLove, subscribe to the channel, and YouTube says watch that video right there. I'll catch you later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.